about to show you the Lapland of the Northwest.
We're here at Cockfields Farm Park for their Christmas experience.
We're going to go see Santa Claus and we're going to build
a festive bear.
We're going to find out who's naughty or nice. You won't find anywhere more festive this Christmas.
That's right, we've been kindly invited back by Cockfields Farm Park to check out their Christmas experience.
Super excited to see what's new for 2024. But we're running a little bit late, so let's get in.
It smells so good in here as well, doesn't it?
It's like so
Just
Christmassy.
smells of Christmas.
We've got the northern lights above us here. That's pretty cool.
Feels like we're in the little elf village now.
Naughty or nice, which have you been on?
I don't know.
You don't know?
A little post office here. And then naughty elf going in the timeout. Go
There's
on.
only one person, isn't there, that needs to go in timeout?
Let me out!
I can fit in there, look.
Oh, naughty elf timeout.
Made for Angie's mum, that's right height.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take your passport, Oliver, and I'm going to let Santa know that you have arrived with us here today, okay? And then he's going to send one of his lovely elves to come and collect you. Does that sound good? Are we excited?
I love that they've got a dummy tree for little ones to hang the dummy up and give it to Santa to get rid of the dummies. That's such a cute idea.
Have we made a list already? Do we already know what we're going to ask him for? No.
Hello.
Hello, Santa!
Hello, Oliver. Nice to meet you. Now, I'm going to give you one of them, but I'm not going to tell you what it's for just yet. Would you like to have a good look in Santa's toy shop? Would you like to take one of the toys home with you today? What I'll do then, that coin you've got in your hand, if you give that to my elf in the toy shop, you can pick anything you want off the shelves. So if you promise me you'll be good, I'll promise you you'll have a fantastic Christmas.
Thank you, Santa. Have a good day. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, we're in Santa's toy shop.
I immediately seen Monster Truck.
Oh, okay.
We've literally just seen Santa. He gave me this coin,
Yeah?
and now I can use whatever I want off these shelves.
Anything in the shop?
Anything.
Right, take it on, mate. Let's see what you got. So there's tons of different options that you've got here for the kids. So you've got stuff like Duplo style stuff. You've got farm tractors. You've got unicorns. There's Nerf guns. There's, well, like a space gun. There's Transformer-like stuff. Minecraft-like stuff.
So many plushies.
I think I know what I want.
I'm surprised he's not going for the snowman plush because it's so soft.
We've also got a toddler section for toys, to give you an idea. There's a lot of wooden toys, like plushies, the farm set there.
I've got two things in my hand right now. I just can't decide.
What are you thinking though? What are you choosing between?
I feel like I want this more than this.
Okay.
And then you're just going to head through that door there and you're going to go to Build-A-Bear.
Thank
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Alright, so we now entered the elf workshop, which is where we're going to make a teddy bear.
So I'm just about to build a Build-A-Bear. It'll be really cool.
Yeah, so we've now gone into the elf workshop and we've been given a choice of 4 different bears. All these chosen a reindeer.
He has. There's a reindeer, a gingerbread, a snowman, or a standard teddy bear.
And I heard that the gingerbread was the hardest.
Yes, he's got skinny arms and legs, so he's a bit more challenging to fill.
And then as he's stuffing all this into his bear to bring it to life, we also need to get a heart, don't we, so you can make a wish.
Make a wish, or give it a kiss, or give it a cuddle, anything you want. And then you can pop it in your bear, okay?
There you go.
Good job, you
Fantastic.
great.
Thank you so much.
Really cute experience, that, isn't it?
That is so cute.
Yeah, so the bear does come included in the experience. If you want to get like clothes and stuff like that, it is an extra cost. But to be fair, the bears are really cool, aren't they?
Yeah, super soft and super
I
cuddly.
made a reindeer.
Has that been your favourite bit of the experience so far, making this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, look at him cuddling him, that's so cute.
Right, so we're now out of the workshop.
And now, first thing I've seen is guinea pigs.
Guinea pigs. I don't think they're going to pull the sleigh, are they, mate?
You need to go make some reindeer dust.
So I'm about to get some reindeer dust.
Yeah?
Why do we need reindeer dust?
So that Santa knows we're here.
He knows where to find us then, because it'll be, we put it out on our garden on Christmas Eve.
As you can see, all of Santa's reindeers, they're all ready. Here, these are all the stables, ready for Christmas.
And look,
This is such a cute event, I love it.
look at the red nose.
Oh yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Rudolph's got a red nose. Right, so you've got oats, you've got flying corn, and you've got something sweet. Just one scoop of each one.
Now I've got one scoop for the reindeer dust.
And now we've arrived at Cuddle Corner where we get to stroke some rabbits or some guinea pigs and stuff. I love how festive they made it look. It looks so cute. Like, we came here at Halloween and it was so Halloweeny, and now it's just like, I feel in the Christmas spirit now.
Not gonna lie, it's very good here. They do a really good job here at Cockfields. We came here for Halloween earlier on, and that was a really good event. We met like the Santas and Sisters, Jack and Sally, and then this.
So festive. So festive.
And it's like an all-in-one as well, so like, you're not just coming just to kind of have a bit of a walk around. You get to meet Santa, you get presents, you get to make bears, you get to meet animals. It's really cool.
I think we've still got gingerbread cookie making. We've got an elf show. There's a lot to do.
You're definitely making a full day out of this for sure. It's not just like an hour and then you're done. It's a really inclusive event, loads of stuff to do.
So it is a little bit more of an expensive event than others, but there's so much included. It's $27.99 for adults and you get a free drink. The kids get so much included with their price. Their price run from £46.39, but that includes the Build-A-Bear, it includes the Santa's gift, it includes the cookies or gingerbread.
So the prices do differ depending on the time of year, so the closer you get to Christmas, the more expensive it does get, so just kind of keep that in mind. But again, it's understandable because it's getting closer to Christmas.
So as soon as you get outside, into the outside area out here, there's a few different places you can explore. So there's this, which is Apres Santa, which is where you go and get mulled wine, cider, hot dogs. You've got Elfbucks just behind there, not infringing on any copyright at all. And then you've also got some toasted marshmallows, and you can go and meet some reindeer. Ollie, can you remember which reindeer?
Prancer and Dancer.
Yeah,
There you go, yeah. So loads of stuff to do here that you can explore.
I don't even know if Dancer's a real reindeer.
We've also got the elf show, but we've been given a time for that one, so that's the only thing that is timed. That's 1:30 that we're doing that. So we've got what, about 50 minutes until then?
You got a little sticker on the back of your passport that lets you know what time it is. It's time for us to use our little tokens now and get a free hot drink.
Right, so we've gone for the festive drinks. So Angie's gone for a deluxe hot chocolate with a little marshmallow, and I've gone for the specialty coffee. So you basically get to choose the syrup. So I went with vanilla. So do the drinks vouchers. They do include these drinks, but for the syrup I had to pay a little extra. So £1.50 for the specialty, but the normal ones are included. Cheers.
You didn't even touch my cup then.
I know, because I don't want to spoil it. I've got cream on my face.
I don't know why.
Right, so we're now heading into the Sugar Plum Sweet Shop.
To collect our gingerbread man. I think it's just for the kids though, sadly.
Is it?
I think so. But luckily for you, Ollie don't really like gingerbread, so I'm sure.
Tons of sweets in the sweet shop.
Hello. Do you have a passport I can see, please?
All out of the sweet shop, what have we got?
I got a gingerbread man and Santa coin.
So the Santa coin, that was extra, that was £2.
I'm going to get another toy.
He wants to go and get another toy of it.
He's just said, he says, I can go and spend this in the shop again now.
Brilliant.
Is that the reason you wanted it?
No.
Right, so we're now in the Christmas shop, all the Christmas ornaments. Right, let's not run around in here.
I'm like squeezing TV tight. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing ever.
Santa
So many
Claus.
cute reindeers.
And then Bob.
Sledging pig. And sheep.
Oh, what?
Oh,
A
the gosh.
sledging piggy.
Yeah, look at the piggy. Right, it's our last sticker. Do you want me to help you? Last sticker, Animal Barn, into the final place. I like this because now you know
Where
that
you're
you've
up
done
to.
all the experiences.
Yeah.
And we know we've not missed anything.
Alright, it's now coming up to 1:30, which means we're going to see the elf show.
You love Christmas. I love Christmas. Santa needs us. No Paul Harris. It's Christmas. Christmas. Every elf loves Christmas. With stockings and presents and Christmas foods. Families are magic and such great food. So let me tell you that the spirit of Christmas feels so good. Right to the Mother Christmas.
So on your way out, you can pick up your photos from the barn just as you're about to leave. So all the prices in terms of the packaging for the photos, I'll leave here for you as well. Right guys, that is the end of our experience here at Cockfields Farm Park.
What a festive fun day we've had. It has been such a great day.
Fantastic. We'll leave all the details for Cockfields down in the description down below if you want to check it out yourself. Until next time,
We'll see you on the next adventure.
catch you later.
Bye!